In the video C, it is all about what control system engineers actually do and how control systems are used in engineering. And one of the main takeaways I got from the video is that control systems is engineering is not only about solving equations or designing controllers. It is actually a process that involves many stages in developing systems. And the video explains that engineers first start by identifying the problem and understanding what the system needs to achieve. And this is important because before designing anything, engineers must clearly define the goal of the system. And after that stage, engineers move to the design and development stage. And in this part, they create models of the systems and analyze how the system will behave. And they often use simulations and tools to test whether the control systems will work properly before building the actual system. And I think this part is very important because it helps engineers and avoid errors and improve the performance of the systems before implementation. And another key point mentioned in the video is that the job of a control system engineer does not end after designing the system. Engineers are also involved in testing, verifying, and improving the system once it is implemented in real life. They monitor how the system performs and make adjustments if it is necessary. And this shows that engineering is a continuous process of learning, improving, and solving problems. And for me, the video was definitely helpful in giving me a better understanding of the subject. Before watching the video, I honestly thought that control systems engineers mostly focus on mathematical calculations and controls design. But after watching it, I realized that this rule is much broader and they also work in different teams like software engineers, hardware engineers, and other specialists to make sure the whole system works correctly. And as a future engineer, one interesting insight that I gained from this topic is the importance of modeling, simulation, and system thinking. Engineers don't just building systems randomly, instead they carefully analyze how different parts of the system interact with each other. By doing simulation and testing, they can predict how the system will behave and make improvements before it is actually built. And another thing I realized is that control systems are used in many technologies around us, such as automation, robotics, vehicles, and industrial machines. Because of this, learning about control systems is very important for engineers who want to work in modern technological industries. And so this video helped me understand the real responsibilities of a control systems engineer and how important the role in designing systems that are efficient, reliable, safe.